You know what I'm doing right now, right? We're gonna check and see if the color is consistent with what we were going for. It's supposed to be like the darker green, it's a little bit ripe. But concrete booger is complete. So this was a 3-week project essentially. We were doing it whenever we weren't working on trucks inside the shop. It came out extremely nice. Obviously you saw that we bought it from a military auction for around $10,000. We put, I think it was 4,800 bucks in parts and small miscellaneous items, including cleanup, plus 50 hours of labor. So we don't have that much invested in it. It's a great truck. We've got Pro Comp 20-inch wheels with 33-inch tires and a 2-inch Pro Comp leveling kit. We've also blacked out all of the plastics along with the mirrors and the door handles. We've added a brush guard up front, so it's just like a bull bar, along with our steps, which are close to the finish of our Line X paint job. So what we did is we did a 383 green over the whole entire truck, which is our base, a Raptor liner on the whole entire vehicle. So if you look down the side of it, it came out really nice. We did it at 90 PSI, so it shot out a little bit thinner than what you would normally see, like those real clumpy versions. And then when you open up the doors, you're gonna see that we lined the actual sills in that green. I was really trying to get this to work so you could see that the green was close to this color. That's the color we were going for right there. It's like a avocado green. But we've got the sills painted right here. These are matching properly, and then look at how clean that interior is. I don't know if you saw from the first series of our videos, but the interior was destroyed. It looked like they didn't clean it for, I don't know, 140,000 miles. Now you can actually look inside your vents, you could turn the air on. The air actually works now, and you're not gonna have dirt shooting at you, or you're not gonna smell like a concrete booger. We've also complemented the black accents with a cheetah print. So it's a flat cheetah print from APA. They're our go-to guys for wraps and for vinyl decals. You can see that we broke it apart here, along with the roof line, which we'll show you shortly. Tires stick out just a little bit, and then we did a aftermarket flare that breaks up the color. Rear bumper was completely touched up, but I had a boo-boo and I backed into a pole. So, if you buy it for full price, I have a brand new bumper and we will throw that on for you. Otherwise, enjoy the creativity. We've got brand new taillights, brand new rear marker as well. So these are all, that's all LED, extremely clean. We've blacked out the Ford emblem along with the F-150 emblem, which it looks great. LED lights for your tag, and then all the body lines are extremely straight. So the truck was nice to start with. Has a clean Carfax. It did have one issue in the Carfax, but they never repaired it, so there was an issue right here where there was literally just a scratch right here. Never repaired, no paint work prior to us touching it. We did a muffler delete and it sounds amazing. I'll start it up for you later. I'm gonna show you the Bedliner right now. So this had a Ford Tough Bed installed and it was completely covered in concrete, as you saw in one of the series. We ended up spraying it with Raptor liner. We degreased it, pressure cleaned it, and now it's black. You can still see some dents, but overall the condition is great. If you look at this, you're gonna see that it's all clean. We've 383'd that, and then we sprayed the liner throughout. But everything was taken off beforehand. The next truck we're gonna be doing is this one right here, Mario's truck. What should we do to that thing? Nothing, it's perfect, you're right. Yeah. What do you think about our green truck?
It's amazing. I love the engine.
That's all, the engine's good?
That's the most important part. Don't break down.
That's true.
And from there, you can build whatever you want.
You want an avocado?
I don't believe in it.
This has a 5-liter with 144,000 miles. It has a limited slip in the rear, so a locker in the rear, and then it has 4-wheel drive. So if you want to have some fun, you're definitely gonna be able to do that. What I might do is put the windows down so you can see how clean the interior is. We also tinted the glass. So this is 20% tint on all 5 glass pieces. Look at how nice that looks. And it looks brand new compared to what we got at the beginning. I'm gonna pop the hood for you, I'm gonna start it up. So, we pull this and fire her off. Can I put the avocado down now?
Yeah.
Okay. But listen to that exhaust. Yeah. Amazing. Let me pop the hood. So no modifications, it doesn't have an air box or anything like that. This is all stock. And it's extremely clean. You can see that 5-liter right there, produces tons of power, great range. Not the best on fuel economy, but that's not what you're buying this for. You're buying this because of the looks, because of the power plant and the 4-wheel drive. If you look at the hood, you're gonna see that we painted everything. The hood actually came off. We didn't just tape off and spray. Grill came off, essentially everything. You can see where we stopped. So that's the original color right there, and you can kind of see it right here. If you pull these pieces off, you're gonna actually see that we lined that interior piece as well to protect it from the elements. I'm extremely happy with this build, and I hope you guys are too. If you like this type of content, please be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more of these things. Concrete Booger for life.